Welcome everyone back to another quick tutorial on Python. In today's video I'll go over reading and writing on files in Python. So to begin, you will want to start with the syntax with, then open, and then in parentheses the name of your file. If your name is in a different directory than your Python file, you may need to pass through an entire path instead. Then you will write as and then a variable name which will store the contents of your file. So now if you were to create another variable and set it equal to this variable dot read parentheses, all of your words in your file will be returned as a string, which you can then print like this. If you just wanted to print out a singular line, you can use the dot read line method instead. Now if I created a second variable and then set it equal to read line as well, then the second line will be stored. Then you can print each variable like this. You can also store a list of each line in your file using the .readLines method. Now this variable will be a list, so if I print out this variable, you'll see a list with each element being a separate line. To write onto a file, you will have to add a second parameter to your open method, which will be the letter W. This will let you create a new file with the name that you passed through or erase all the content in the existing file and start from scratch. Then you would write variable name and then .write and in parentheses pass any string you want to write. To instead add to an existing file, you will have to pass through the letter A instead into the open method. Now when you use the .write method, you will add strings to the file instead of overwriting them. Now if I use another open method and have it set to read mode, when I read the entire file, you can see the changes. This is an extremely important technique to know, so make sure you learn it well. Thank you for watching, and remember, keep learning even if it's a few minutes a day.